Hello there, my Aquarius. This is for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus in your sign. Aquarius, if the messages resonate, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to know when I upload. Okay, this is your general reading, your general love reading for December 1st to 15th. Keep in mind that anything I say here can go vice versa. So if it's not your energy I'm picking up on, then it could be your lovers or your the person you're here watching this reading for, your significant other, or whoever you're here for, okay? So Aquarius, let's see what is coming towards you in the month of December. If you do not like something on this channel or how I run things on this channel, please click off, okay? All right. So I hope you all had a wonderful, happy Thanksgiving holiday. And yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas as well. I know it's like right around the corner. So Aquarius. Let's see what I'm picking up for you, Aquarius. In love. Holy Spirit, Divine Angels, Spirit Guides, who or what is coming towards Aquarius in the month of December 1st through the 15th? What does Aquarius need to know? Please show me. All right. What else for Aquarius? What else for Aquarius? What else for Aquarius? All right. I was wondering when, the cards were going to fall out. Oh. Wow, okay. This is looking good, Aquarius. So, whoever you're dealing with here, codependency is here. So, someone may have some unhealthy habits or behaviors that they are dealing with. Your person may have some addictions. You know how this goes. Addictions can be alcohol, substance abuse, sex, money, control issues, whatever it is, your person, or this could be you, Aquarius. There are some addictions that affects either your love life that you're dealing with or this person that they're dealing with, and these addictions may affect their love life. Okay, I have here, this could be the one. So you've already met the romantic partner you seek. Okay, so you've already met this person, you already know this person. I have here at the bottom, past life relationship. You have known each other before. So whoever you're dealing with, Aquarius, you and this person, you share a past life connection. You have spent a previous, you have known each other from a previous lifetime. Okay, so yeah, so there's a very spiritual connection between you and this person, a very deep connection. Okay, I have here keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. So there's a need for you to keep an open mind and about this relationship or about this person here, Aquarius, or your person may be needing to keep an open mind. I feel like someone may be different from your usual type. or you may be different from this person's usual type. Please take the messages as they resonate. Always use your intuition when listening to readings, okay? Passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. So there is a very passionate connection between the two of you. There's chemistry here. There's attraction. It's very hot and, you know, steamy, passionate. Whoever you're dealing with. So there is a lot of attraction and chemistry between this person because you do share this past life connection with this person. There's an instant attraction. There's a feeling as if you have known this person before, but someone may be different from this person, may be different from your usual type. And or vice versa. And there's a need to keep an open mind. So let's see what else. Holy Spirit, divine angels, spirit guides. What does Aquarius need to know in regards to their love lives for the month of December 1st to the 15th, 2020? All right, so you're dealing with a soulmate, a past life soulmate. Aquarius. Right. Let's see. Aquarius. Energy, please, Aquarius. What does Aquarius need to know about their love interest for the month of December 2020? Please show me. Okay. Ooh. All right. So the Five of Swords flipped out, so you could be dealing with another air sign. So this is someone that played mind games with you. They have a tendency to manipulate. What else for Aquarius in love? What does Aquarius need to know about their love interest? Spirit, please show me. Okay, what else? You could be dealing with a Capricorn or a Sagittarius or a Taurus or a Virgo. Okay. All right, so yeah, the Queen of Pentacles is here. Earth energy. Three of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And the Five of Wands. So there was some manipulation here. There was a love triangle is what I'm picking up. A third party. What else? For Aquarius. King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Could be a Cancer person. Okay, so whoever you're dealing with, I feel like here there was a third party situation between the two, you know, in the middle of you two. That's just, you know, what I'm picking up here intuitively, but I will clarify these energies. This person, they play mind games with you. They have a tendency to manipulate. I feel like they were trying to do something manipulative, sneaky, get away with the third party. So there was competition involved for whoever this is resonating with, but you two share a past life connection. All right. So yeah, justice is at the bottom. So your person is wanting to make things right with you. They want to make it right. They want to be fair with you. They want to come in and balance things out with you because of this third party energy. Things may have not been equal, fair, is what I'm picking up. Yeah. Knight of Cups, King of Cups. So they want to make the romantic gesture towards you. This person is operating now from a mature, emotionally mature space. This person is coming in to offer a true commitment. If you were dealing with a third party situation, and I'm seeing that a lot of you were, this person is wanting to make it right between the two of you. This person is coming in to offer offer their heart, offer their love. So why is the Five of Swords here for Aquarius? Five of Swords. Okay. You walked away here with the Eight of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. You walked away from this manipulation. Yeah. This person, they definitely had a third party and they were juggling. Okay. They were torn between two people. This was a juggler you're dealing with, or this could be even you, Aquarius. The roles can definitely go the other way around. Why is the Queen of Pentacles here for Aquarius? The Queen of Pentacles. Seven of Cups. Okay. So I'm picking up, if you're dealing with a earth sign, this person, they may have been tempting you, or they may have been dealing with multiple people here. Tempting offers, okay? Yeah. Why is the Seven of Cups here for Aquarius? The Lovers. Yeah. So your person, they may have had a choice between two people. Okay. Why is the Lovers? Ooh. Wow. Okay. The Ten of Pentacles here. Okay. So I'm seeing that your person they may have had other options in the past, but I feel like this person, they love you, Aquarius, or you love someone, and someone is seeing a serious, stable commitment with you. They're wanting a serious, stable commitment with you. This is someone that you moved on from, you walked away from. Could be dealing with a Gemini. Why is the Three of Cups here for Aquarius? Three of Cups. I'm picking up the energy that your person, they were confused about you because they had other options, other people. But now they know that the Ten of Pentacles here, the ultimate achievement and happiness lies with you. Why is the Three of Cups here? Three of Cups. Yeah, Seven of Wands. Defensive. So with this energy and the Three of Cups here, you said no to a third party. You were no longer participating. I'm not saying that you were consciously participating in a third party, Aquarius. I'm just saying that if you were found yourself in this third party situation, you stood your ground. You set boundaries. You either blocked this person, you removed yourself from the situation. You said no to this person. Reject. This is the energy of rejecting someone. Queen of Wands is here. You could be dealing with a fire sign, or this is your energy for some of you. You may have fire in your chart. Why is the Five of Wands here for Aquarius? Five of Wands. Okay, so yeah, your person is wanting to make amends with you and heal. And this is, you know, the Temperance here, Sagittarius energy. This person is wanting to end any arguments that you and this person may have had. This is about healing and coming back together and working it out. So I feel like your person is wanting to restore this balance and this connection with you. Yeah. The Hierophant. So your person is wanting to commit to you now. No more third party is what I'm picking up. Yeah, you could be dealing with a Capricorn. They want to reunite with you. Yeah, and this person is sure of their feelings for you. So let's see here. Why is the Temperance here? Temperance for Aquarius. Okay. Page of Swords energy, air energy. Your person is wanting to restore this relationship and work on this partnership with you. Yeah, you're in this person's thoughts, and they think about you a lot, is what I'm picking up. This person could even be spying on you, watching you, keeping tabs on you in some kind of way. This is about communication. So I do feel like if you're not in communication with this person, that communication is going to come through from this person. I'm going to pull one more clarifier for that. Yeah. Why is the Page of Swords here for Aquarius? Who or what is this Page of Swords energy, Spirit, for Aquarius? Who or what is this Page of Swords energy? Okay. The Ten of Cups. Strength. Could be a Leo. So your person, they may need courage to come forward here. This person is seeing the Ten of Cups with you. Okay, so we have the Ten of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles here. This is like, it doesn't get any better than the Ten of Cups or the Ten of Pentacles in a love reading. So this person is definitely seeing you as the one for them, Aquarius. Or you're seeing someone as the one for you. Let's see here. Why is Strength here for Aquarius? Strength. Why is Strength here? Four of Wands. This person is wanting commitment. Yep, your person is wanting commitment. Like I said, this person may lack confidence or courage. They need the inner strength here to come forward. they're watching you. They see the Ten of Cups with you. So, you know, they think about having a happy home, a happy life with you, a serious relationship. Why is the King of Wands here for Aquarius? King of Wands. Who or what is this King of Wands? King of Wands. The Knight of Wands. So, I'm sorry, the Knight of Swords. So this is someone that is wanting to take action. Okay. Why is the Knight of Swords here for Aquarius? Knight of Swords. So I have Justice here again. The Six of Cups. Okay. Five of Cups. What am I doing? Five of Cups and wow, all of these. Oh wow. Queen of Cups. What is this? The Magician and the Moon. So the Magician and the Moon. All right. Someone is definitely wanting to come back together with you. Could be a Gemini. Could be a Pisces. Why is the Magician and the Moon here, Spirit? The Magician and the Moon. Why is the Magician and the Moon here? Three of Wands. And why is the Three of Wands here for Aquarius? So what I'm picking up here is your person, they want to communicate with you. For some of you, you may be waiting on communication from this person as well. You know, the Page of Wands is a messenger, a message coming through. Okay, so some of you may be waiting on communication with this person. Yeah, you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, or an Aries. What I'm seeing here is someone is wanting a reconciliation with you. What will be the action steps that this person will take towards Aquarius? What will be the action steps? This person is grieving you with the Five of Cups. Action steps. The Tower. What will be this person's action steps towards Aquarius? What will be this person's action steps towards Aquarius in the month of December? Please show me. Knight of Pentacles. Queen of Swords. Okay, one more. And the Empress. And the Emperor. So we have the Empress and the Emperor, Aquarius. All right, so this is a divine partnership. This is a twin flame possibly you're dealing with, or like I said, a soulmate. So you have someone here, this person, They may have moved slow in the past, okay, but I feel like this person is wanting to reunite with you. Yeah. Holy Spirit, divine angels, spirit guides, what message do you have for me to give to Aquarius in love in regards to their love lives, their love interests for the month of December 2020? So someone here, you know, whoever you're dealing with, Aquarius, this is the one for you. We got two that fell out, so I'm going to just take those two. Yeah, they definitely want to reconcile. Ace of Cups, the Chariot, and the Emperor. They may be moving very slow, but I feel like this person, they're going to come in eventually to reconcile with you. Beyond the light of this world, there is an inner light that always shines bright. Close your eyes and be guided by your inner light. Feel it flow through your entire body, your thoughts and emotions. Feel it relax and heal every part of you. Listen to the immortal dialogue between your soul and spirit. This is the never-ending story of you. Okay? So, for some of you, this is personal for you, a personal message. So, someone here is needing to, or this is you, Aquarius, someone is needing to, you know, let their inner light guide them. So, I feel like pay attention to your intuition, okay? It's not fair. What am I reading? It's not fair. It is not a matter of containing your emotions. Rather, the opposite is required. You must express your emotions in order to heal them. Say what you feel, be gentle, be truthful, and do not blame anyone in the process, especially yourself. All emotions can be transformed by love. A conscious desire to do so is all it takes. It's okay to feel the way you do. Okay. So I'm picking up the energy that someone here, your person, or this is you. If this is a, you know, if it's the opposite way around, then this is you, Aquarius. Someone here may have been suppressing their emotions, and message from spirit is saying that these emotions need to be expressed. They need to be let out in order to heal. Okay, so it does no good to keep your emotions bottled up. Okay, someone is needing to express their feelings, express their love. Yeah, so express emotions, Aquarius, or your person. This person needs to express their emotions towards you. Okay. I do feel like a message is going to come through with this Page of Wands. Okay, so I feel like your person, they deal with fear, they deal with doubt, but this person is wanting to commit to you. Okay, they do want a commitment. All right, Aquarius, so that's all I have for you. And I will see you all next time, okay? If this person comes back, I do feel like it may be a shock for a lot of you with this Tower. So this may be very unexpected. If this person decides to follow through with the energies I'm picking up on, they will communicate with you eventually. They will come forward, because I see this person has their mind made up. They do want a reunion with you. And this person is grieving. Okay, so I will see you all next time. Bye.